Hey, boys and girls, Miss Bear coming to you this evening with our math lesson of the day. This is lesson 3.7, reading and writing our numbers to 10. All right, this is the day we've been waiting for. Take a look at our tens frame. It is completely full. So how many dots are in our tens frame? Show me with your fingers. That's right, both hands, all 10. Great job. Show you another quick image here. How many are in our tens frame? Show me with your fingers. Great job. There is 7. 4 on one hand, 3 on the other. That makes 7, or 5 and 2. Lots of combinations to get to 7. All right. How many dots are in our tens frame? Great job. There are 9. How many more do I need to make 10? That's right. Just one more dot would make 10. Go ahead and pause this video, take out your writing templates, and get yourself a marker so we can practice writing a whole line of 9s and a line of 10s. All right, welcome back. We're going to practice writing a line of 9s. Well, actually, just one line of 9 and 10. And then we're going to write all of our numbers from 0 to 10. I'm going to get out my writing utensil, maybe. And my computer is not cooperating with me tonight. No, that is not what I want this evening. Let's see if we can delete that and try this again. Technical difficulties. All right, for the number 9, I'm going to start up at the skyline. I make a circle and a straight line. That's how we make the number 9. Whew, I hope your number 9 looks better than mine, because mine does need a lot of help. Here's my number 10, a straight stick down and a 0. Oh, biscuits, here I go again, moving my frame. Let's try this again. Get a new line and make a 0. Good gracious, that's how we make the number 10. All right, starting on our next line, I'm going to attempt to scribble using my scribble pen here. My numbers 0. Ooh, that did not touch the grass line, but that's okay. I start with the number 0. Put a big fat finger space. What number is going to come next? That's right, the number 1. It should go right here. Remember, it starts the sky and comes straight down. Put a big fat finger space. What number comes next? That's right, it's 2. We start at the skyline, curve down like a side of a heart, and slide on that grass line. Great job. What's next? That's right, the number 3. Write it right next to that number 2. What's next? The number 4. Awesome job. Keep going all the way to 10. I want to see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. When we get together in our Zooms tomorrow, I cannot wait to see your numbers 0 to 10. Have your number boards ready, because we will be writing our letters and our numbers. You guys have a great evening.